Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can add file empt to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is file empt. So go to top right, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail or Facebook or normal mail, and when you got it, click login. Right, then you're going to be here in applications, and you just want to write in search file. And then you see it here, file empt. Let's create a widget. And now you have the option to go between PDF file, Word document, PowerPoint presentation. You can really choose which one you want, or even like product manuals. And yeah, I'm going to choose the PDF file. Continue with the template. Now what I will do is that I simply upload a file here. Right? And then I can change also the layout and style, like colors and everything. Then just go to top right and click save. Right after that, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000 or up to 5 million views, go with the basic Pro or Enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Now I will just write here HTML and paste the code. And voila, here we got it. It's going to load. You can preview the changes. It's going to load for a while, but to center it to the middle, what you can do, guys, is just click plus here. Right. Let's delete this. HTML and paste it and paste it. Let's also edit it. You can change it as a grid or list and change the width here if you want to. It's like 400. Click save. So it's not that big, you know. But again, that's really up to you how much you want it, right? But you can really play around it as much as you want. As you can see, it's changed right now. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.